Welcome back to my channel Into the Oracleverse, where we learn about Oracle SQL, PL SQL, and Apex. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
In this video, we are going to see one of the quick fixes for fixing this particular issue that we discussed in one of the earlier videos, which would have the reason behind the occurrence of this issue, along with an workaround that I have mentioned, which included some custom code implementation. But within this comment section, I was able to see a person's reply, which was actually very it would be a very simple fix to implement, and we don't have to change any of the implementation within our particular page. So let's get started. So this is our service. So to incorporate this part, you might have to check out one of my previous video where I have walked everyone through how to connect the Cohere API with Oracle Apex. So with that, you'll be able to get an idea on how to establish this particular connection. So you'll be able to see this error if you are trying the same. So what we'll have to do is to fix this. So we'll just add an additional attribute. So here you can see the parameters connection was removed from the API. So we just have to set it as null. And then once we add it, so let's click on close dialog. And one thing that you have to make sure, you have to enter a valid a valid model. So initially I had command R as my model and it was deprecated. So you have to look for an AA model which is not deprecated. And then you will have to click test connection. You'll be able to see that it has succeeded now. So I have just added the additional attribute with the key connectors with value as null. And then I have also added a valid AA model. And once it is done, click on apply changes. Yes, so the changes are applied. Now let's go back to this particular page which we have configured in one of the earlier videos. So to implement this, you can look into that older video where we have set this up. Yeah, so now let's jump directly. So this is the chat assistant that we have configured with the out-of-the-box Oracle Apex. So let's try See, so it is working as expected. So with this particular implementation, by with just adding that particular additional attribute, we will be able to make this work without changing anything. So no code addition, we'll be able to do that. And I wanted to thank this particular user for sharing this particular learning with everyone. Thank you so much. I'll meet in yet another video where I'll walk you through some other enhanced functionalities with respect to Oracle Apex and AI. Yeah, thanks.
Drop in your thoughts in the comment section, and for more videos like this, subscribe to Into the Oracleverse.